Let's learn how to fix PlayStation app is not available in my country. First, let's open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. When you do that, click on your profile picture icon in top right corner of the screen. That will send you on this menu where you need to go on your iCloud. Now you'll come on account settings page with bunch of options from which you need to go on country or region. Then select change country or region. Now App Store shows to you a list with all country and you need to select a country where is PlayStation app available. That can be a Germany. When you select it, go to agree with all terms and conditions. Then you need to enter some information. That information don't need to be true. And when you enter it, click on next button in top right corner of the screen and you are finished. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.